What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, let's get right into this. Today we'll look into how you can use silence and breaks in your tracks to create better transitions between sections of your track. Yeah, the idea behind using silence before a section is the idea of energy and momentum. Breaking off all the instruments in a section can cue the energy of that section before another section comes in, and doing this is just a good way to transition between sections. And yeah, so let me play this track and we'll look into different techniques you can use with silence in your track.
Now watch me fly, watch me fly, fly away, fly away, fly away.
So yeah, you see how the silence comes in at the 68 bar, and I started breaking off all the instruments at the 67 bar. So this just made the momentum drop, and this will just give your listener the idea that the track is dead, the track is done, and it picks up again at the 69 bar. So just this short break of about 3 seconds can help your transitions come in very smooth. And yeah, this is just an idea of using total silence to change momentum in your track.
Fly away. Fly away.
So yeah, that's how to do this. And you can add in different things when the silence comes in to spice up that energy. So I'll show you another track where I do this. So in this track I just introduce hi-hats when the silence comes in, and that helped transition into the next section better. So let's play this. This is just another example of things you can mix up with the silence, or things you can bring in when you break your track before the next section comes in, and this just makes the energy change, and it can really help smoothing your transition. So let's look at another track I used this. Let's listen to this. So a very short break here, then the female gasp comes in with lots of reverb, and that just makes that silence very powerful. So yeah, these are some things you can do to improve the arrangement of your track and just make the transitions between sections of your track smooth. And I thought I should share this with you guys because this is something I've been studying lately. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. If you want to discuss this, let's do that in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.